Did you know that over 75% of people who set fitness goals for the new year drop them within 6 months? It's time to change that game, and tech's here to help. So grab your avocado toast or your protein shake, get comfy, and let's dive into the future of fitness tech. Number 1. Whoop Strap 4.0. This thing's a whole package. You get the membership, a slip-onic super knit band, and a waterproof battery pack all in the mix. It's not just about monitoring, it's like having a personal health guru on your wrist, tracking everything from heart rate to sleep to even your stress levels. Plus, it's all about your goals, giving you the lowdown on what works best for your body. And dude, that battery pack keeps it juiced up on the move. Number 2. Aragon Elite. This beast uses the QX65 motor with Quiet Force tech. That's some next-level muscle magic, all while being quieter than your average massage gear. The multi-grip design, say goodbye to arm strain while hitting those tight spots. And get this, double the battery life for those long, soothing sessions. Plus, it hooks up to an app for your personalized massage journey. It's a whole vibe. Number 3. FitTrack Bibo. The FitTrack scale isn't just any scale, it's like a health ninja for your crib. It's spitting out 17 vital stats, from weight to body fat percentage, and it's as accurate as those fancy x-ray scans. But wait, there's more! A pregnancy mode for all the moms out there. And it's fam-friendly, letting up to 8 peeps in on the health action with their own profiles in the FitTrack My Health app. It's like having a personal health wizard in your bathroom. Number 4. Jack's Jock's Kettlebell Connect 2.0. This thing's a whole fitness vibe, letting you rock weights from 5.5 kilograms to 19 kilograms in one slick design. But hold up, it's not just about weight, it's got its own brain with those motion sensors tracking your moves in real time. Plus, switching weights is just a tap away, no more messing around with multiple bells, and it's compact too, making your home gym look sleek. It's like the Swiss Army knife of kettlebells. Number 5. Nerve Run Insoles. It's like having a coach in your shoes. These award-winning trackers bring the lab to your run, measuring every step from the ground up. With 32 sensors, they're all about the precise data, giving you real-time coaching and feedback. They don't just fit into your kicks, they fit into your whole training routine. Plus, these sync up with your fave devices for the ultimate workout experience. Rain or shine, these insoles got you covered with their all-weather vibes. Number 6. 10-gram Smart Rope. It's not just any rope, it's your own personal fitness counter in midair. This ain't your grandma's cardio. We're talking twice the burn of a run in one rope session. Sync it up with the Smart Gym app and it's like having a coach right in your pocket, tracking your jumps, cows torched, and even throwing in some sweet awards for your hard work. Plus, it plays nice with all your fave fitness apps and wearables. It's the ultimate jump rope upgrade. Number 7. Halo Sport 2. A mini powerhouse for your noggin. It's small but mighty, so you can toss it in your bag without hogging all the space. Plus, it's built tough with top-notch material, so no worries about it taking a beating. Whether you're grinding at the gym or studying hard, this baby's got your back. Small, sturdy, and ready to boost your brain game. It's like your own secret weapon. Alright, pause the tech craze for a sec and hit that like button. Go and grab some water, do a quick stretch, and come back, cause we've got more mind-blowing gear headed your way. Let's hydrate, activate, and get ready for the next level of tech fitness wizardry. Number 8. Zift Runp Pod. Your secret ticket to a whole new running universe. Clip it on, sync it up, and bam! You're in the Zwift zone, whether you're crushing it at home or hitting the gym treadmill. It's not just about pounding those miles, it's about joining a whole community of runners in epic virtual worlds. With this magic pod, you're broadcasting your stats, exploring exclusive runner routes, and never missing a beat. It's like being the superhero of your own virtual running game. Number 9. UnderArmour Hover Machina 2 running shoes. This isn't just a pair of kicks, it's like having a running coach on your feet. These babies give you that extra oomph with energy return and a slick propulsion plate for next level speed. But wait, there's more. Connect them to UA Map My Run and it's like having a personal trainer analyzing every step. With the sweet cushioning and the breezy mesh upper, you're not just running, you're flying. It's like having a turbo boost for your feet. Number 10. Kettle AI-powered exercise bike. the workout wonder that brings the science to your sweat sesh. This ain't just any bike, it's all about those short, powerful workouts that pack a serious punch. Plus, they throw in a heart rate monitor for free. It's like having the ultimate fitness shortcut, bringing you the gains without the extra time. Science-backed and ready to revolutionize your workout game. Number 11. Viper 2.0 Vibrating Foam Roller. This thing's a beast inside and out. It has a Vibin core and a rechargeable battery, all snuggled in eco-friendly foam for those max vibes. It's all about those easy breezy controls. Just one tap and you're picking your vibe intensity. Easy peasy. You've got 3 speeds of intense vibes, all in a roller made for Mother Earth. And the battery? Yup, it's rechargeable for more vibes whenever you need them. It's like your own personal power-up button for recovery, fitness, and feeling totally vibed. Number 12. QB Pro Under-Desk Elliptical. A double whammy for your fitness game. It's like having an elliptical and a rowing machine fall in love and make a baby. This compact wonder brings the whole body workout vibe to wherever you chill. It's not just about cardio, you're flexing those upper and lower muscles all in one slick device. Plus, it's Bluetooth ready, syncing up with your app and health trackers. With 12 levels of resistance and a hush-hush vibe, it's the silent hero of your fitness story. It's time to work out wherever you lounge in peace. Number 13. Nordic Track Vault. Behold the powerhouse fitness arsenal, the Vault. It's like having a whole gym in your crib. Get this, a 30-day iFit family membership for a workout wonderland. Live, on-demand global workouts and studio classes beaming straight to your reflective fitness mirror. And that mirror, it's like your fitness guru, guiding your moves and making sure your form's on point. But wait, there's more! A stash of goodies from premium dumbbells to resistance bands, plus that heart rate tech for that extra accuracy. And yeah, it stands tall and proud, backed by those warranties, making your home gym dreams a reality. Whew, that was a workout in itself. Thanks for sweating it out with us through these tech wonders. Now hit that subscribe button like it's the last set at the gym and join the best cool tech fam. Trust me, we've got more gadget goodies coming your way, so stay tuned and stay teched up, my friends.